Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to a very good off-campus opportunity for the 21 or for the 22 batch, and this from the top MNCs. First is from Tata Elxsi and second is from Willis Tower Watson, and this is the British MNC. So it will be higher for the 2022 batch, they will hire for 2022 batch, and Tata Elxsi hire for freshers batch 2021 batch. And for Tata Elxsi the package is 3.5 LPA, and for Willis Tower Watson the CTC is 5 to 7 LPA. So in this video we discuss about the complete information. So let's start the video. So the Tata Elxsi is hiring freshers, 1100 plus openings, 60% and above throughout academic. CTC is 3.5 LPA. Grab this opportunity. So this mail will be come from the nqt@tcsin.com TCS NQT team. Dear candidate, congratulations for being selected as top performer in the TCS NQT. It is your gateway to top jobs in multiple corporates. 63,000 plus TCS NQT certified candidate have placed in top corporates. Okay, so the Tata Elxsi is among the world's largest provider of design and technology services, and eligibility for Tata Elxsi job openings is a role is software engineer, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, CSIT, ICE, ECE, Triple E, mechanical. Candidate should have 60% or 6 CGPA throughout education. CTC is and package is 3.5 LPA. And another role is test and validation engineer, and package is also same and all thing is same. No active backlog, 1 year gap allowed. Location is Bangalore, Trivandrum, Chennai, Pune. Interview round is online test, technical round, HR, final selection. Interview mode is virtual, interview location is virtual. Tentative interview date is 10 September to 21st September. Okay, so online test is for those candidate. If NQT test programming score is good, then there is a no online test required. There is only technical round and HR round, and after final selection communication. So you have to apply to go to this link and apply for this job update. This is very good important update from Tata Elxsi. Second job is from Wilson Tower Watson, and this is for official for 2022 batch for the Gurgaon location. India Early Careers Recruitment 2022. So this job update is for the role of graduate analyst, and you have to just work with the team on the new project, and you have to meet with the clients to complete complex client assignment on time, establish and maintain. Qualification is if you are currently in final year of graduation and pursuing a bachelor's degree in commerce, economics, business management, mathematics or statistics with an excellent academic background. They just mention the mathematics. So BE BTech candidates are eligible. You can apply for this opportunity. There are so many courses eligible for this opportunity. 2022 batch is officially means eligible for this opportunity. Skills are strong written and verbal communication skills, attention to detail, analytical, conceptual, self-driven achiever, strong client relationship. So you have to just click on apply online opportunity, and firstly login page will become. You have to fill your username, password, or you have to click on new user and fill all the details for that. The last job update is not included in that, but this is from emphasis for the role of hiring non-voice process freshers only from Bangalore. If you are from Bangalore, you can apply for this opportunity. Strictly no BE BTech, because they want graduation, post graduation only from recognized university. BE BTech grads are not eligible. Only undergrads, 10 plus 12th diploma IT candidates are eligible. So I will add this link in the description. You can just log in to apply or register to apply. I hope this opportunity is very good for freshers. This video is very good for freshers, and if you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.